In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to promote and advertise other people's products without having to create a website. And we're going to talk about another network, a brand new network. I don't know, you probably never heard of this network, but I have been in this network and I'm going to show you how you can choose a product, how you can promote a product, and how you can drive traffic, okay? And at the end of this video, there are so many products on this network that's worth promoting that can bring you huge amounts of sales and huge amounts of commissions. But I am going to give you two main products which I believe you can promote and start earning commissions because the product is very good. It's got latest training video. The creator of these two products are top-notch, reliable people and top-notch super affiliates and super internet marketers that knows how to turn your passion into profit and into a money-making business. So in this video, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you two products which I believe you should start promoting to start making money online. But before I give you those two products, I am going to walk you through the marketplace to show you some of the products that is being on this affiliate network, and that's been quite good and very, very high converting with a sales pitch, okay? So let's get into this and let me show you how you can choose a good product on this platform, how you can start to advertise this product, start to promote this product, and how you can start earning commissions. Now, before we get into this, you need to understand that Explodely affiliate network is completely different to the typical affiliate networks out there like ClickBank, Digistore24. Explodely has the version of products that used to be on ClickBank 15 years ago. I don't know, 15 years ago, if you were on the internet and trying to make money online as an affiliate, ClickBank used to have those type of products where a person sees the sales page, watches the video, and instantly he has this in his mind that I want to actually go out there and buy this product. These are the type of products you're going to find on Explodely. So that's why it's eye-catching products, it grabs attention, and most likely with very minimum traffic, but quality traffic, you can expect to generate sales and commissions. So I'm on my Explodely dashboard, and in this dashboard I am going to show you how to find products. So first of all, you need to go to Explodely and you need to create your account. So if you click on free sign up, you can create an account. Bear in mind that when you go to login, you're going to see two sections here. You're going to see the affiliate login, you're going to see the seller login. You want to click on affiliate login, and when you go to the page on the bottom of the login, you're going to see sign up. If not a member, sign up, and when you click on sign up, you will be able to create your free account. So first of all, once you have created your free account, what you want to do is you want to go to marketplace and then you want to choose a product to promote. Now, before promoting any kind of product, it is very, very important that you create a small mini landing page because you want to build a list of subscribers. Those subscribers will turn into profit for you if you follow up with those subscribers. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, a landing page will look something just like this, a small squeeze page where you're giving a message to people what to expect once they click on this button and enter their email address here. Alright, so this is very, very important that you build a list of subscribers, because if you don't build a list of subscribers and you start driving direct traffic to the page, you can make sales but you don't have a business. This is the search bar. If you're looking for a specific product, you can just type in the name and you can find the product. Okay, so let's look at this first product. So you can see it's got the sales page, it's got an affiliate page. Let me just show you how the sales page looks like. So let's click on the sales page here. Okay, so you can see the sales page. These are the typical sales page that used to be on ClickBank 15 years ago. Okay, now they don't allow these type of sales pages for some reason. Okay, but these are the type of products and sales pages that used to be on ClickBank, and people were crushing it in those days. I know one of the internet marketers who generated over $1 million in 24 hours. I know this is unbelievable, but it's true. Okay, I met that internet marketer personally, okay, in London. All right, he generated over $1 million in 24 hours. Real proof. This is I'm talking about 10-15 years ago on ClickBank. Those days are gone now. On ClickBank, you can't, perhaps you can't make that type of money in 24 hours unless you're a top ClickBank product seller and you have thousands of affiliates. Okay, as an affiliate, perhaps it's probably going to be very hard to make that type of money, because now those type of products are not allowed, but those type of products are available on this network. So you can see here, check this out, this is a product. Now if I just click on continue watching, I could watch the video. Okay, then they have other products. Look at the names as well. IC algorithm. All right, you can see the average sales is $18. Okay, product price is $17, commission is 75%, refund rate is 9.27%. and you can see that you might be thinking, wait, $17 product price, 75% commission, what type of money am I making? Don't worry, they have upsells, and after purchasing all the upsell, you will end up making somewhere anywhere from $300 to $500. So just don't look at this front end price, and that shouldn't put you off. Okay, so you can see here there are a couple of products down here. Here's another one. Look at the names as well. The names are so weird as well. Roba 88 XM, Income Team X, Hot for 2025, Paycheck 5X, Cash Duplicator, and VIP3, Commission Bot 24/7, L26 account. So they have so many products, and you could go up to 68 pages of products after products after products, and you can promote these products. Okay, so like I said, first you need to build a landing page, which is very important, because this will build a list of subscribers. So just in case if you do some direct linking traffic and someone doesn't buy the product, that's okay. You have some people who will purchase the product after receiving follow-up emails. Stay tuned for that, because I will be creating a complete tutorial on how to create powerful landing pages with different platforms. Also, I will create a complete tutorial on how to create email swipes, email follow-ups, add those to these autoresponders, so these automated money machines go out to your subs every single time someone subscribes, and you don't have to lift a finger. So stay tuned for that. So let me just give you the two products. Okay, now if you want to drive traffic, before I give you the two products, let me just talk about the traffic. Now if you want to drive traffic, you have free and paid. One of the best way to get free traffic is either you use Instagram. Okay, so if I just go to Instagram here, all right, and I go to my profile, you can see here I have a link down here. Okay, so I do have a link down here. You could put in a link down here of the affiliate link, or you could go to Facebook. Okay, and you can create a couple of reels or a couple of posts in different groups. Okay, where you can grab people's attention, get friend lists, get followers, and start to make money online. Okay, so if you just go to create a story, now this, you need to understand, if you're going to do free traffic, persistent is the key to success. You need to do this on a regular basis. Doing it once a week, once a month is not going to give you any kind of results. You have to do this on a daily basis when it comes to, especially if you're going to do social media. If you do it daily basis, you're going to see your following is growing, your friend list is growing, people are starting to interact with you. Facebook is going to see that. Facebook's going to start giving you a boost, and Facebook's going to start promoting you and your content across their platform, and that's how you're going to get so much traffic, so much attention. And then when you start getting traffic, people are going to click on your link. So if I just go to my page down here, okay, you can see here, if I go to my page, here it is, here's a page here, people can click on it, and they're going to click on these links, and when they click on these links, they're going to subscribe, and that's how you're going to make a lot of money. Okay, so let me show you the 2 products that you can promote right now. That's very good, very high converting, latest product, and it is one of the best products on the Explode Links. The number 1 product is, okay, let me just see. Alright, and it's this one here. I love this product. Okay, it's a very good product. It is created by one of the top internet marketers who's generated millions of dollars online. I highly recommend you promote this product. As you can see from the refund rate as well, the refund rate is only 2.86%, and the reason is that it is a very good product. Okay, and it gives you everything from A to Z. Now if you want to purchase this product, I will have the link, okay, in my description box below this video. I will also pop up the link on the video. You could just open up a new browser, go to this website address, and check this product out. If you really want to purchase this, I do recommend it because it's one of the best products, and I believe purchasing this product will give you everything that you need to make money online, and after this you will not have to buy another product again. So here's the product link popping up on the screen. Just open up a new browser, go to this website address, watch the video, and if you love the product, just purchase it. It's one of the best products on the internet. Okay, so if you want to promote that, you just want to click on the promote button. Okay, you want to click on create affiliate link. It's going to create your affiliate link here. Copy that link, and you want to start driving traffic. Okay, the second product that I highly recommend you promote is just type in YouTube in the search bar, click on submit, and then you're going to find this product here. Okay, YouTube Mastery Course is one of the products that teaches how to go from 0 to 6 figures using YouTube free traffic and becoming an expert with YouTube marketing. So if you really want to promote a product that's really legit, genuine, then here's another product that you can promote, the YouTube Mastery Course. To click on the promote button, get your affiliate link, and start promoting it. You could even check the sales page. Okay, the sales page is this sales page here. It's created by one of the top internet marketers who has used YouTube to generate multiple 6 figures online. So I highly recommend you promote this product. This seller is paying 50% commission. The product price is $67, so you're going to earn 50% commission, and it's one of the best products and one of the high converting products on this platform. So if you want to promote this product, just come to YouTube Mastery Course, type in YouTube on the search bar. You're going to see YouTube. Just click on promote, and you will be able to promote this product. Okay, now stay tuned because I'm going to come up with some powerful training videos about latest traffic sources, free traffic sources, paid traffic sources, building funnels, building email swipes, and how to turn freebies into real customers. So stay tuned for that.